Ja, want...
Oh, there's the tram.
Nog één.
Ja, want er loopt daar een meneer, die laat zijn hond uit.
Oh, ja.
Hi, I'm back. Andito kami ngayon sa Transport Museum. Hindi ko alam yung exact name ng museum. Check ko lang mamaya. Pero kakarating lang natin. So ito, most of the things na makita ata dito is about yung mga tram nila. You know naman, dito sa Netherlands, maraming tram. So tignan natin kung anong meron. Dito yung loob ng museum. Itong pinapakita dito, ito daw yung yung wheel system ng mga tram. So mabilisan lang. Ito yung tawag ito mga iba't ibang klaseng tram na ginamit dito sa Netherlands. Particularly sa mga areas na ginagamitan talaga ng tram. Kasi hindi pala lahat ng city dito sa Netherlands may tram. So dito sa Den Haag, sa Amsterdam, sa Rotterdam, tsaka sa mangilan-ngilan pang city, may tram system talaga siya. So ayan, pati yung mga luma nilang buses na designs. Ayun, labas na tayo? Okay.
So it's the only Belgian one we have.
Okay.
Right?
When was the first tram line opened here?
1864.
Oh, long time ago.
Very long time. It was a
Horse-drawn.
tram.
Okay,
Yeah.
horse-drawn tram. What made it special?
It's an interurban.
Meaning between cities.
It went outside city limits.
Oh, okay.
So let's say from 1864 till 1923, trams only ran in The Hague. They were city trams.
Okay.
And there's a difference between city trams and interurbans. And the easiest difference you can see over there, number 77, that's a city tram. It has one headlight.
Okay.
And this one has two.
When it goes outside the city, it has
Because
to...
it's outside the city,
Yeah.
it goes outside and it needs by law
To have two headlights, okay.
And trams that remained in The Hague only needed one headlight.
Oh, okay.
So that's the main difference.
Yeah, so when you see two headlights, automatically that goes outside. Okay.
Yes. So I'll open this one because all the trams are locked.
It's funny, I see the
Extra work.
the sign there,
Yes.
forbidding to spit.
That's right.
People were spitting.
At the time.
Really?
Yes. Yes. It's a high step, so please
yeah.
be careful.
Okay. Wow, this is an old tram. Grabe lumang-luma na tong tram na to. Ganyan siya. Manual yung ikot nila. So I guess dalawa yung driver kasi dalawa yung nakaupo. I mean yung upuan dito. Tapos dalawa yung wheels. So tanong natin kay Kuya later. Pero kahit yung lumang tram nila, maluwag na siya. I mean, ano siya oh. Maayos.
Want voor die tijd hoefde dat helemaal niet. Dus de tram 1950 werd dat verplicht om richting.
Yung signage na to. Verboden testuin. Ibig sabihin yan, bawal daw dumura. So, nung unang panahon, dumudurado yung mga tao sa lapag anywhere. So, sinabihan sila bawal dumura. Needs Boutons taken.
So this is where the driver used to be, and the driver had to stand.
Oh, okay.
There's no seat for the driver, so these seats are for the passengers.
The passengers were allowed to sit there?
Yes.
Oh, they entered there also? Or they entered from there?
No, they enter in the
They
middle.
entered from there.
Yes. I'll just lock this one.
Why are they allowed to sit here? Because it gets so full?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And the driver wasn't allowed to sit. Because at the time, that's 100 years ago.
Yeah.
the managers and the government and so on, they all said a standing driver is awake.
Yes.
A sitting driver can fall
Fall
asleep.
asleep.
So like you said there about the bike.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. So
And everything is manual.
everything is manual.
You have to steer them all.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So I'm not going to explain it because it can actually run.
Oh.
So I won't do that because we will hit that particular tram. But what I can show you is how to ring the bell.
Yes, please.
So you see.
Oh, just a tap.
It keeps ringing.
Yeah.
See, it's a clear sound. Now
Yes.
you try it.
Let me try it. Just a tap.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna tap the bell.
Very good.
I can drive now.
Yes. Yes, you are halfway to become a tram driver.
Yes. And there's so
Doe je dat
many
proberen?
meals. Oh yeah, we're gonna try it also.
Very
Yes,
good.
we're
Very
applying.
good. My compliments to both
Yes,
of you.
thank you. Be careful. No, I'm fine. There, backwards.
Okay.
I did
you
it.
can get off facing forward. That's
Yeah.
no problem.
Yes.
If you trip, you land your head on the track.
It's a race for the train.
Yeah. Ang daming tram. Dito talaga pala pinreserve yung mga naunang tram na tumakbo dito sa Den Haag. Iba't ibang klase. Merong mga trams na pre-war pa lang. Tapos yung meaning before World War. Tapos ito yung mga iba na pinipreserve pa rin nila. Galing.
Windows.
Ayan, may darating na tram. Yung conductor naka sa bintana. Ayan, yung tram. Lumang tram yan. Mamaya sasakay din kami sa lumang tram. Ngayon, sakay na kami. People are sitting already. Sakay na kami ng tram. Ito yung lumang tram. Sasakay namin ito. Iikot kami ng Scheveningen. Yan yung tram na sasakay namin. Where can we sit? Everything's taken. Sakay na kami sa lumang tram. Tickets. Yung tickets namin. Ikot kami ng Scheveningen.
Want ze wil graag zo.
Wil je nog een keertje knippen? Ja, daar gaat hij hoor.
Yes, dankjewel.
Ja, zelf een huis.
Skyscraper.
Is this?
Yes, okay.
Balloons, ja.
Balloons yun, yeah. Grabe, maalog yung tram.
Fire truck. Fire truck.
Fire truck.
Lighthouse.
It's kind of far, I can't see it from here.
Ja, too late.
So, pwede daw kami bumaba dito sa Scheveningen for 5 minutes. Baba muna kami. Ikot-ikot, tingin-tingin ng area. Ayan yung tram na sinasakyan namin. Na sinakyan namin kanina. Ito talaga yung tram na umaandar ngayon dito sa linyang to. Oo.
Lighthouse.
That's the lighthouse.
There.
Let's try to find it there, up there. Ayan. So, yung difference, oh. Yan yung sakyan namin, papunta dito. Ito talaga yung umaandar. Ito yung Scheveningen Beach.
See, and then we can come here, hang around, eat dinner there.
Okay.
Jarvis.
Jarvis, that's the plan.
Eat
We'll bring
fish.
you here.
Eat fish with Jarfish.
Jarvis. Jarvis the fish.
Closer.
We'll go closer.
Oh, this is my favorite beach, by the way, Copacabana.
Oh, really?
That was here, yeah. But it changed. Yeah.
Yun yung ano,
hang out
oh.
a lot in Copacabana.
We hang out a lot there.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go there.
But they modernize it.
Yun yung Ferris wheel. Sabi ni Ramon, ito daw yung paborito niyang beach club dito sa Scheveningen. Buhay na ang beach nila kasi summer na, almost summer na. Yun yung harbor. Yun yung lighthouse. Makita. It's like a rainbow. Ito yung obelisk and that's the lighthouse. Buhay na ang beach nila. Ayan, may mga, pero yung tubig nila malamig pa din. Ayan, may mga nakahangout na dyan. Sabi ni Ramon, dalhin daw namin si Jarvis dito. Next month, dating si Jarvis. So, ganyan. Ganyan yung trip ng mga tao pag weekend. Tambay-tambay sila dito. At kasalukuyang amoy marijuana. Isn't that our tram?
Oh yeah, we...
Sakay na kami ulit.
Hier blijven. Niet bij de trek houden. Dat mag wel. Nee, ik mag gewoon door. Dat is zo.
Hi, princess.
There are people watching tayo. Passaja! Yan ang paandar nila ngayon. Ang mga kainan nasa labas. Gusto nila magpa-araw kasi na-araw ngayon. Ayan. Natalbog naman mag-drive to si Kuya. At syempre, ang napakaraming bike. Grabe, daming bike. Bike parking yun. Find your bike. Kaya ito na po sa Teresa. Paalog lang tong tram na to medyo nakakapagod sa katawan. Dudok, yung dudok na yan, masarap ang apple pie dyan. Ang galing, kasi inikot din nila kami sa city center. Akala namin sa beach lang kami ikot. Don't say that. I know what you mean. you to try it. There's always a line in there. There is. Ito yung, tawag dito kay Stow. Parang ano yung mga nila, shopping area. Siyempre, napakadaming bike. Okay naman tong experience. Kasi syempre may experience mong makasakay sa makalumang tram nila. Yun nga lang, makaluma rin yung pakiramdam. As in, ewan ko ba kung dahil sa tram to o dahil sa driver. Makajot! Makajot mag-drive si medyo nananakit na yung katawan ko kasi syempre bakal-bakal ng paligid namin. Ayan, tamo ko. Makajot. Pero okay naman. Fun. Yan yung museum. Yun. Naharangan ng mga puno. Mga puno. The trees. Yun. Ayun, nakita niyo yung mga trams. Nandun siya. Diyan kami mapasok ulit. Pabalik.
First track switch.
Ang galing. Papasok kami dun sa garage. Paatras. Kasi itong tram na sinakyan namin, normally, di ba katulad yung pinakita kanina, dalawa yung, how do you call that? Driver's side. Harap at likod. Back and front. Basta yung pagdadrive, pwedeng harap or likod. Ito harap lang. Isang way lang yung pagdadrive. Pero ngayon, mag-backwards kami ay nag-drive. Nakalabas yung ulo ni Kuya. Ang galing. Nakalabas yung ulo ni Kuya. Ayan. Ganyan kaming... Kaya pala nakasilip sa labas yung driver kanina. Mahusay. Paatras, ay nandito na kami. Galing ni Kuya. Amazing.